Hey there, friends! If you're craving something warm, hearty, and full of flavor, you're in the right place. Today, we're making a simple bean stew that's comforting, delicious, and super easy to whip up. So let's jump right in and get cooking. Kidney beans. Soak the beans 2 days ahead and change the water every few hours to get rid of the gas. Garlic, mushroom, onion, and ground beef. Alright, time to prep. As shown in the video, finely chop the onions, garlic, and mushrooms. This will build a flavorful base for our dish. This delicious combo probably doesn't belong to just one culture. It's a flavorful fusion inspired by different kitchens around the world. You can spot its roots in Mexican, American, and Middle Eastern cooking styles. Now it's time for the meatballs. Start by grating the onion and squeezing out all the excess juice. Then mix it well with the ground meat until you get a smooth, flavorful blend. Honestly, I'm a big fan of meatballs too. It's one of those dishes I never get tired of. Do you end up eating a little too much every time you make it too? Now shape the meat into small meatballs. Keep them tiny so they cook faster and look even better. We're doing it all in one pan because who likes a sink full of dishes, right? Drop those little meatballs into hot oil and give them a nice sizzle till they brown up and look delicious. Hear that sizzle? That's kitchen music. Now we're tossing in the onions, garlic, and the rest of the goodies. Let the magic begin. Once the garlic and onions turn soft and golden, toss in some mushrooms. Then comes the spice party. I usually go with paprika, turmeric, salt, and black pepper to kick up the flavor. After that, in goes the tomato paste to bring in that rich color and depth. Finally, we add in the soaked beans and our cute little meatballs along with a bit of water. Put the lid on and let it all simmer until the flavors come together like a delicious team. Serve it with some fluffy steamed rice, and boom, you've got yourself a meal that disappears fast, with only smiles left behind. And that's it, our delicious dish is ready. If you try it, let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, there's a lot more tasty stuff coming your way.